So here we have year one, and in year one, children actually learn adverbs, but they are not told that these are adverbs because they're actually too young. I mean, they're only about 6 years old, so giving them big words like adverbs is not something that we do in school. However, what we do is teach them what the words are because the idea is to develop their vocabulary. So children will learn words like quickly, slowly, quietly. They will also learn why we use these words. So these words are used to describe actions. So actions are things that we do. So how does somebody do something? Well, they might do it quickly. They might do it slowly. They might do it quietly. So they will understand the purpose of the word, but not necessarily that they are called adverbs. Now, most of the words that they learn end in ly, so they are easy to identify. So you will have here, as you can see here, quickly, slowly, quietly, all end in ly. So let's have a look at this in a bit more detail. So here we have they laughed loudly, they whispered quietly, they sang happily, they shouted angrily. So here we can see that the verbs, the doing words, laughed, whispered, sang, shouted, the doing words are described using the ly words. So that is the purpose of adverbs in year one. Everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus and teach GCSE foundation level English and math. I have a parent teacher group and I answer all your questions in there and you get access to this video and other videos that I've done so that you can refer back to them in that group too. I do 3 of these sessions a week, which last on the platform for about a week, and then I take them off and then they get archived into the group. So if you want to join the group, then the link and the details are in the description below. So come and join the group and then I'll happily answer any questions that you have. I also have a free parent teaching magazine, which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.